The Steam ESCO Green Saver Venturi steam trap comes with a 15-year guarantee. It is made from European traceable stainless steel and has no moving parts to wear down or fail. It is easy to install by fitting to your existing steam trap space, and it's even easier to maintain with a fine mesh filter combined with a blow-down valve allowing online cleaning on the occasional times this is required. On startup, air and non-condensable gases are evacuated through the nozzle. The startup load is 3 to 5 times the working load as the condensate is cold and there is no flash to impede the flow. When steam is introduced to the steam trap, the temperature increases until a flash occurs in the exit nozzle due to the pressure differential between the steam and condensate systems. This flash provides a choking effect to the condensate flow and is instrumental in keeping the inlet nozzle full or partially full, which provides the seal between the steam and the condensate systems. This flash can move up and down the exit nozzle to accommodate variable load. With a distribution trap, the pressure differential hardly changes. With a process trap, the pressure differential changes in conjunction with the opening and closing of the upstream existing control valve. This allows a fixed nozzle to have a variable load capability. Also, the turbulent nature of the steam condensate flow before the trap can create a wave in the inlet nozzle, which means it does not have to be full to create a seal between the steam and condensate systems. Every steam ESCO trap is temperature tested after installation to ensure it is working at optimum efficiency. The Green Saver, the smart choice.